Titan Steel is not a party to this contract. They did not sign it. The agreement is solely between Skyline Estates and Primeville.
Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking to you about the amazing features that we have on EVA AI Console. One of it is called Legal Shield. So what this does is that it provides exceptions to any argument you provide. So if there's an argument you want to make in court on behalf of your client, any fact you provide. So this is the case we are handling. This is the case between Skyline Limited and Prime Land Limited, and also a third party who is called Titan Steel. So what happened here was that Skyline, the buyers, contacted Prime Land that they want to buy steel to use in a construction project, and it turns out that Prime Land disclosed that they are not the actual people that will produce it. They will contact Titan Steel, sort of because of their partnership and their arrangement. So Titan Steel will provide the steel and they will supply it. So the contract was between Prime Land and Skyland Limited. So after the product was supplied, it was discovered that the product itself was defective. What did Skyland do? Skyland now sues Titan Steel, who was not a party to that contract. So we've been hired to represent Titan Steel, and our argument basically is that because we're not a party to that contract, we cannot be bound by the contract. Essentially arguing the doctrine of privity of contract, which precludes a person who is not a part of the contract from being sued or from even enforcing the contract itself. Because so what we just need to do is you need to go to the app and click here, this area that says type in your brief. So here all we just need to do is provide the facts. So I have typed it here, Skyline Limited, and I've provided our argument here. So there are a lot of options here. All you just need to go do here is click on this icon here. This is the legal shield icon. You have suggestions here. So we have suggestions on possible exceptions. One of it is agency agreement. In an agency agreement, we know that agency is an exception to the doctrine of privity of contract. So whenever a person who is not a party to the contract claims that because he didn't sign that contract, he cannot be sued. If there was an agency relationship between the party that signed and himself, then he can also be bound by that particular contract, irrespective of the fact that he did not sign that document. So all you just need to do here is click on agency. Then as soon as you click it, you're going to see authority. So what you just need to do next is click on analytics. Then as soon as you click on analytics, you see the main case, you see the application, then you see what Skyline may argue. Skyline, which is the buyer, and to justify why they sued Titan Steel. So they might argue that it was made clear that Titan Steel was an intended supplier and the company behind the steel component. They might contend that Prime Build was merely acting as an agent for Titan Steel in facilitating the supply arrangement, and that Titan Steel, by its common representation, should be stopped from denying the contractual obligations. So this is just a possible defense that can arise.